Hello everyone and welcome to today's English practice video. Today we are going to practice 100th daily routine sentences in slow English. This video is perfect for beginners at a 1 and a 2 level who want to improve their listening and speaking skills. So sit comfortably, get ready and try to listen carefully, repeat after me and answer the questions out loud. If you can, we will start with very simple sentences first, like I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you try to say I wake up at 7 o'clock and then I brush my teeth. Repeat slowly, I brush my teeth and I eat breakfast. Now you can say I eat breakfast slowly and clearly. Now we continue with I go to work or school. Can you repeat I go to work or school, then I start my lessons? Or work, can you say I start my lessons? Or work. Next sentence, I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Now repeat I have lunch at 12 o'clock, then I go for a walk in the afternoon. Can you repeat I go for a walk in the afternoon, then I study English for 1 hour. Now you say I study English for 1 hour. Next sentence, I cook dinner at 6 o'clock. Repeat I cook dinner at 6 o'clock, then I watch television in the evening. Now say I watch television in the evening. Next, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Repeat I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now let's add some more sentences like I wake up early in the morning, I drink a cup of tea, I take a shower, I get dressed, I comb my hair, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to school or work, I take the bus, I meet my friends, I talk with my colleagues, I have a meeting, I eat lunch, I drink water, I go for a short walk, I study English, I listen to music, I play a game, I do exercise, I cook dinner, I set the table, I wash the dishes, I read a book, I watch television, I check my phone, I write in my diary, I go to bed. Now let's practice using different times, like I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I wake up at 8 o'clock. Repeat after me slowly. Now let's practice using different activities. I clean my room, I wash my clothes, I water the plants, I feed my pet, I take my dog for a walk. I go shopping, I go to the supermarket, I buy vegetables, I buy fruits, I buy bread, I pay in cash, I pay by card, I go home, I open the door, I switch on the light, I switch off the light, I sit on the chair, I lie on the bed. I drink coffee, I drink water, I drink milk, I eat an apple, I eat a sandwich, I eat rice, I eat pasta, I eat soup, I eat salad. I brush my hair, I comb my hair, I take a shower, I take a bath, I wash my hands, I wash my face, I go to school, I study English, I read a book, I write in my notebook, I listen to music, I play football, I play basketball, I ride a bicycle, I take a taxi, I take a bus, I take a train, I go to the cinema, I watch a movie, I meet my friends, I call my family, I call my friends, I send a message, I check my email. I work on my computer, I check the news, I go to the park, I sit on the bench, I run in the morning, I go swimming, I do yoga, I meditate, I practice English, I learn new words, I learn grammar, I ask questions, I answer questions, I speak slowly, I speak clearly, I repeat the sentences, I try to remember the sentences, I practice every day, I feel happy, I feel tired, I feel hungry, I feel thirsty, I feel excited, I feel relaxed, I feel motivated. I feel confident, I say good morning, I say good night, I say hello, I say goodbye, I say thank you, I say please, I say sorry, I ask for help, I help my friends, I help my family, I help my colleagues, I read the newspaper, I read a magazine, I read online, I write emails, I write letters, I write messages, I write notes, I write sentences, I speak with my teacher, I speak with my friends, I speak with my family. I practice pronunciation, I practice listening, I practice speaking, I practice reading, I practice writing, I improve my English, I enjoy learning English, I am a beginner, I am a student, I am learning English, I want to speak English, I want to understand English, I want to write English, I want to read English, I practice every day slowly and clearly, I try to remember the words, I try to repeat the sentences, I try to improve step by step. I feel happy, I feel confident, I feel motivated, I feel relaxed, I enjoy learning, I enjoy practicing, I enjoy speaking, I enjoy listening, I enjoy reading, I enjoy writing. Now we continue with more daily routine sentences. I wake up, I get up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I comb my hair, I get dressed, I put on shoes, I eat breakfast, I drink coffee, I drink tea, I drink milk, I drink water, I go to work, I go to school, I take the bus, I take the train, I take a taxi. I drive my car, I ride my bicycle, I walk to school, I walk to work, I meet my friends, I greet my colleagues, I start my work, I start my lessons, I have a break, I have lunch, I have dinner, I go for a walk, I exercise, I go to the gym, I practice sports, I play football, I play basketball, I play tennis, I read a book, I read a newspaper, I write a message, I write a letter, I write an email, I call my family, I call my friends, I listen to music, I listen to the radio, I watch television, I watch a movie. I go shopping, I buy food, I buy clothes, I buy shoes, I clean my house, I wash my clothes, I iron my clothes, I cook food, I make tea, I make coffee, I wash the dishes, I take out the trash, I open the window, I close the window, I open the door, I close the door, I sit on the chair, I lie on the bed, I go to bed, I sleep, I wake up early, I wake up late, I have breakfast, I have lunch, I have dinner, I feel happy, I feel tired, I feel hungry, I feel thirsty, I feel relaxed, I feel confident, I feel motivated, I say good morning, I say good night, I say hello, I say goodbye, I say thank you, I say please, I say sorry, I ask for help, I help my friends, I help my family, I help my colleagues, I speak slowly, I speak clearly, I repeat the sentences, I try to remember the sentences, I practice every day. I enjoy learning English, I enjoy practicing English, I enjoy speaking English, I enjoy listening to English, I enjoy reading English, I enjoy writing English, I try to improve step by step. I feel happy, I feel motivated, I feel relaxed, I feel confident. And the practice continues with new sentences, repetition of old sentences, questions for the learners, answers, examples, synonyms, and small daily conversation practice so that by the end of the video you will have listened and practiced all 100 daily routine sentences many times, slowly, clearly, and in a friendly, beginner-friendly way. This will improve your listening comprehension, speaking, confidence, vocabulary, and understanding of daily English. Now, remember, practice every day and repeat after me and try to answer questions in full sentences and enjoy learning English step by step.